These aren't just tools, they're game changers. Today, we're revealing 15 amazing new tools on Amazon that can save time, boost productivity, and make tough jobs look effortless. Stick around until the end, because the number 9 tool is on a whole different level. Number 1. Imagine gliding around your garage without constantly standing up and sitting down. This rolling shop stool is designed to make long repair sessions far more comfortable and efficient. The padded seat rotates a full 360 degrees, giving you complete freedom of movement while working. Adjustable height settings allow you to find the perfect position for any task. Built-in tool trays keep your most used tools within arm's reach, while the magnetic holder prevents metal parts from disappearing. Number 2. These aren't ordinary hooks. They're powerful magnetic organizers that instantly create storage wherever you need it. Whether you're hanging drills, extension cords, garden tools, or workshop accessories, these heavy-duty magnets grip firmly to metal surfaces. Their strong holding power helps eliminate clutter and keeps tools within easy reach. No drilling, screws, or complicated installation is required. Simply place them on toolboxes, shelves, workbenches, or garage walls and start organizing immediately. Number 3. Installing doors by yourself can be a frustrating balancing act, but this clever tool changes everything. The Trend foot-operated door lifter lets you precisely position doors using only your foot, leaving both hands free for adjustments and fastening. It's ideal for door installation, hinge alignment, carpet fitting, and other precision tasks. The rugged construction is built to handle heavy loads while maintaining smooth operation. Fine adjustments become easier and more accurate, reducing installation time significantly. Number 4. A Toolbox Essential gets a smart upgrade with this versatile 6-in-1 screwdriver. Instead of carrying multiple tools, you get Phillips, slotted, and nut-driving capabilities all in one compact package. The cushion grip handle provides excellent comfort and control during extended use. Quick bit changes allow you to move between tasks without slowing down. Its durable construction is designed for everyday repairs, assembly work, and maintenance jobs. Number 5. Don't let its compact size fool you. This little hammer packs impressive functionality. The magnetic nail holder allows for one-handed nail starting, making projects safer and easier. Its lightweight design offers excellent control while reducing fatigue during repetitive work. Perfect for woodworking, home repairs, camping, crafts, and small construction projects. It's surprisingly versatile. The claw design removes nails efficiently, while the durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Number 6. If you've ever struggled to secure heavy boxes for shipping or storage, this tool is about to become your new best friend. The Box Packing Strapping Toolkit delivers professional-grade packaging strength without requiring expensive machinery. It tensions, cuts, and seals straps quickly, creating secure bundles that stay tight during transport. Included straps, buckles, labels, and edge protectors make it a complete packaging solution right out of the box. Whether you're shipping products, securing cargo, or organizing warehouse inventory, this tool helps create stronger and more reliable packages. Number 7. Some tools solve problems you didn't even realize had a solution. The EZPIK Pro Grabber Reacher extends your reach by over 43 inches, allowing you to pick up items without bending, stretching, or climbing. Its heavy-duty claw provides a secure grip on everything from trash and tools to garden debris and household items. The foldable design makes storage and transportation incredibly convenient. Seniors, homeowners, gardeners, and DIY enthusiasts will all appreciate its versatility. Number 8. Forget measuring tapes that bend, twist, and require a second person to hold the other end. The HOTO laser measuring tool brings modern precision to measuring tasks with impressive accuracy up to 98 feet. Its compact, pocket-sized design makes it easy to carry anywhere, while the OLED display provides crystal-clear readings. Real-time measurements are displayed instantly, helping speed up planning and installation work. The rechargeable USB-C battery adds convenience, and multiple measurement units offer flexibility for different projects. Number 9. Tight spaces can turn simple repairs into frustrating challenges. But this massive 68-piece wrench set was designed specifically to conquer those difficult areas. The compact stubby design allows access where standard wrenches simply won't fit. Flex head ratcheting mechanisms improve maneuverability and speed up work dramatically. Multiple metric sizes, screwdriver bits, and a universal socket make this a highly versatile kit. Automotive technicians, bike mechanics, and DIY users will appreciate the wide range of applications. Number 10. Ever struggled to reach gear at the front of a truck bed? This upgraded truck cargo grabber eliminates the need to climb into the bed every time you need something. Extending up to nearly 7 feet, it allows quick retrieval of cargo, tools, and equipment from a safe standing position. The magnetic mounting system keeps it readily accessible whenever needed. Dual hooks improve grabbing capability, while the stainless steel construction ensures durability. Number 11. This isn't just a flashlight, it's a pocket-sized lighting powerhouse. Delivering up to 1800 lumens, it produces remarkable brightness while remaining compact enough for everyday carry. Multiple lighting modes include standard illumination, UV light, and RGB options for specialized tasks. A magnetic base allows hands-free operation when working on repairs or inspections. The digital display provides battery information at a glance, helping avoid unexpected power loss. Number 12. Woodworking projects demand precision, and this compact, cordless router delivers exactly that. Featuring a powerful, brushless motor capable of speeds up to 28,000 revolutions per minute, it provides clean and accurate cuts across a variety of materials. Variable speed settings allow users to match performance to specific applications. The cordless design eliminates cable restrictions and improves maneuverability around the workshop. Included router bits expand versatility for trimming, edging, grooving, and decorative work. Number 13. What if your lawn could take care of itself? The MOVA LiDAX Ultra 2000 represents the future of lawn maintenance with advanced LiDAR navigation, AI vision, and fully automated operation. Unlike traditional robotic mowers, it doesn't require boundary wires, making setup dramatically easier. Intelligent mapping technology helps it navigate complex yards with impressive accuracy. It can manage multiple mowing zones, handle slopes, and maintain clean edges automatically. Number 14. One tool, 5 different configurations, endless possibilities. The Bosch FlexiClick system is designed for professionals and serious DIY users who need maximum versatility. Interchangeable attachments allow it to function in situations where ordinary drills can't reach. Tight corners, awkward angles, and confined spaces become much easier to work in. Despite its compact size, it delivers impressive power and precision. The included batteries provide reliable runtime, while Bosch's reputation for quality ensures long-term durability. Number 15. Our number 1 tool looks small, but its performance is absolutely impressive. The SEESII mini chainsaw combines a powerful brushless motor with cordless convenience to create a highly capable cutting tool. Branch trimming, yard maintenance, storm cleanup, and DIY woodcutting tasks become significantly faster and easier. Tool-free chain tensioning simplifies maintenance, while the automatic oiling system helps ensure smooth operation. Dual high-capacity batteries provide extended runtime for larger jobs. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another incredible tool countdown. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.